政長官林鄭月娥咧就啱啱到咗啦。
We are taking the Sinovac vaccine today, which was developed and manufactured in the mainland, because this is the first vaccine that has arrived in Hong Kong last Friday with a total of 1 million doses. This act of us kickstarts a very important vaccination program in Hong Kong. We are very determined, very committed to rolling out a free and universal vaccination program for the people of Hong Kong so that we could get ourselves out of this epidemic as soon as possible. So protect yourself, protect your family and your loved ones, and help Hong Kong society to recover as soon as possible. Please come forward to receive the vaccination.